So we've got this like 10-foot wide mower that we use for mowing pastures. And you can see there's a problem here. One of the blades, we hit a rock and it busted off. Judging by the gobby weld that's on there already. It's been fixed before, probably by me. Looks about the quality of my welds. So we're gonna grind her down, clean it all up. You can see I started on it, and try to weld it back together to finish up mowing pastures. So we got her all cleaned up and clamped into place. Got the welding rod ready, the helmet ground down, ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and try to burn it in here. It's got her all welded back together, and you guys can critique my crappy weld. Just what a farmer does. Farmer welding, they call it. Nothing fancy, but it should hold. That was the other weld from the previous guy. A little bit better than that one, so incremental improvement, that's all we're asking for here. Hopefully she holds together. Anyway, we'll get her flat back down. We got the skid steer here with the forks. Get her flat back down, put her to work until something else breaks on it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.